Happy birthday. Okay, so I am sitting beside you and you must be thinking that what am I doing, why am I making this video. So it's lockdown, we can't go out and we can't have party, but yeah, and again, yes, people can't come to our place to celebrate your birthday. So I just thought, why can't I get people virtually for you here? And that's why this video. Let's see what people have to say on your video.
Hey Abhishek sir, happy birthday. Many happy return of the day to you.
Happy birthday, sir.
Hi Abhishek, wish you very happy birthday. Stay safe. Love you.
Dear Abhishek Urf Majnu, many happy returns of the day. Have a blessed year ahead. And Monty would have prepared a very beautiful set of videos for you to make your birthday a real special one. Happy birthday. Cheers. जैक डैनियल्स अभी तक बाकी है, देखते हैं कब पीते हैं. बाय.
Hi Abhishek, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
Hello Abhi. Hope you are good, safe and healthy. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day to you. May God bless you with all happiness, success in this coming year. Your all desires will come true. More than a colleague, you are a very good friend of mine. I love working with you. I love spending time with you. I must say, you are a very privileged person. You are very efficient in your work. You are very dedicated. As I saw you, sometimes you are very funny. I have so many occasions I can tell you in detail, in personal, and I have already told you all the things. Right? You have shown so many things in your life. We discuss so many things with each other. You know me very well, I know you very well, and I hope our friendship will last a lifetime. Wherever you are, I am just a call away from you. You can call me, you can message me anytime, bro. I am always there for you. In this pandemic time, I wish you and Moni good health. I hope you both are safe and secure at your home. Enjoy this time together. I think this is the birthday. You can spend your whole time with your wife, whole day with your wife. आई थिंक बहुत सालों के बाद तुम्हें ये टाइम मिला होगा कि पूरा एक दिन तुम अपने वाइफ के साथ अपना बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करोगे. तो आई होप कि ये तुम्हारा दिन बहुत ही यादगार रहे. विल बी अ मेमोरेबल डे फॉर यू. अगेन विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे ब्रो. एंजॉय द डे, रॉक द डे, एंजॉय द डे टू द फुलेस्ट. कुछ भी खा, कुछ भी पी, मेरे को याद जरूर करियो, नहीं तो पेट में दुखी हो.
Hi Abhishek, how are you? Wish you many happy returns of the day. On your birthday, I want to convey my best wishes in behalf of the entire Riddhi Corporate Service Limited. Thank you very much.
Hello Abhishek. What a way to greet you on your birthday. Happy birthday dear. May God bless you. Thank you. Stay.
Hi Abhishek. Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
Hello, Abhishek. Many happy returns of the day. Happy of Ramadan. Okay.
Hey Abhishek, I hope you are safe and healthy during this lockdown period. Many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all the joy and happiness in your life. Happy birthday. Thank you.
বাপ্পাই দাদা, আজকে তোমার জন্মদিন, আমার প্রণাম নিও। ভালো থাকো, সুস্থ থাকো, ভালোভাবে এনজয় করো, আজকের দিনটা ভালোভাবে সেলিব্রেট করো। আর আমার শুভেচ্ছা রইল, দূর থেকে ভালো থাকো তুমি।
হ্যালো বাপ্পাই, আজ তো শুভ জন্মদিন, সেই জন্য তোকে শুভেচ্ছা আশীর্বাদ জানালাম। ভালো থাকিস, আনন্দে থাকিস। আজ এই লকডাউনের মধ্যে তোর জন্মদিন তুই আর তোর বউ মিলে পালন কর, এনজয় কর, সেলিব্রেট কর। আমরা দূর থেকে আশীর্বাদ করছি তোকে, আরও ভালো হোক, আরও উন্নতি কর জীবনে। আর ওদিকে দেখ মন্টির মুখটা কিরম হয়ে যাচ্ছে দেখছিস? মন্টিকে কিছু বলছি না বলে। মন্টি, থ্যাংক ইউ, শাবাশ, তুই বাপ্পায়ের জীবনের রংটাই বদলে দিয়েছিস। খুব ভালো, তোরা খুব ভালো থাক, দীর্ঘদিন সংসার কর, দীর্ঘায়ু হ। আর কি, রাখছি তাহলে আজকের মতো। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Hello Mojo, how are you? Wish you very happy returns of the day dear. অনেক মিস করি উত্তাঙ্ক দাসের ঘরের সব সময় পপে চ্যানেল দেখতাম রাত 2টা অবধি। মিসিং ইউ, প্রাঞ্জু, মন্টি, অল সবাই ভালো থাক। অনেক মিস করি তোদের 67 বার্থডেতে। ম্যানি হ্যাপি রিটার্নস অফ দ্য ডে। আরও বুড়া হয়ে গেলি, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে নতুন একটা দিন হোক। আর উইশ ইউ very happy returns of the day. Hope all are doing fine, and I think English has improved a lot for me, right? See you then.
Happy birthday, Mama. Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da!
Hi. You are not surprised to see me? You shouldn't be surprised to see me, because I think, you should expect that I'm always around, because I will always be around this birthday boy, Abhishek, my dearest little brother whom I met way back in 2011, and we had some crazy times working together. একটা জিনিস আমার অভিষেকের প্রচণ্ড ভাল লাগে, যেটা অভিষেক সবসময় বলে, হয়ে যাবে, সব হয়ে যাবে, কি চাই একবার তুমি বলে দাও, সব করে দেবো। So ideally I think this confidence that I have of lifetime, that bonding that I have for lifetime, that is with you and will always be with you, and of course with Monty, my little daughter. So I think it's a very emotional moment for me to wish you a very happy birthday and wish you all good and happy and happening things in life. It's just started, so many years of success and prosperity and great health and a brilliant future for you is what I can wish for. So all the best to you and have a great day, and I hope I get my share of cake when I am there with you guys. Love you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mozu.
Hey Mojo, just like RL sir, I think used to say Majumdar, like how the bike starts. Wish you a very happy birthday. I'm sure this birthday will be special. Lockdown birthday, you get more time to spend with Monty. I'm sure you anyways do, but there will be no distractions. So have a good one, enjoy, and please do rehearse our song, Eetanai Opanagan. So maybe we could do a Jugalbandi online together someday, and be in touch with Hori because he is your guru. Don't forget your guru. Stay safe, stay happy. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Mr. Abhishek Majumdar.
Happy birthday, Abhishek.
वो तुम्हारा ससुर बोला
Happy birthday to you.
and happy birthday from Coco.
Hey Abhishek, wishing you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with health, prosperity, success in the coming year. And I'm sure it's going to be a very unique birthday this year. You're going to remember this for the rest of your life. So enjoy, cheers, stay home.
লাভপাই আজকের জন্মদিনে জানাই আমার শুভ কামনা, আশীর্বাদ, ভালোবাসা ও শুভেচ্ছা।
Happy birthday, Mozu.
Many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day. ঘুড়িটা কমলো?
আদু বলো আঙ্কেলকে হ্যাপি বার্থডে বলো।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে বলো আঙ্কেলকে।
হ্যালো করো।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে আঙ্কেল।
করো আবার করো।
Hi Abhishek, very happy birthday. May God bless you. May all your dreams come true. Have a very prosperous, healthy, wealthy, happy birthday.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Hi Abhishek, wishing you very happy birthday. तू जैसे ही हंसाता है सबको, वैसे ही हमेशा हंसता रहे, खुश रहे। और तू कपिल शर्मा है हमारा, और मिलना है, बातें करनी है, बहुत कुछ है, बट ये साला सिचुएशन ऐसी है। बट फिर भी होप फॉर द बेस्ट, सब कुछ सही हो जाए और तू भी सही रहे।
হ্যাপি বার্থডে বাপ্পাইদা, খুব ভালো দেখো, আর ওই চোখের ব্যাপারটা সাবধান। টাটা, দেখা হবে নিশ্চয়ই আবার, আসবো আহমেদাবাদ।
Hi Abhishek, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy the year. Wishing you a very successful and healthy year. You and Monty both take care of yourselves and stay safe in this lockdown period. All the very best to you guys. I still remember all of you, like how we were working together in Shiliguri and how we all enjoyed being together. Take care, all the best. Bye bye.
Happy birthday, Moju. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Abhishek uncle.
Hello. Happy birthday Abhishek. God bless you. हमेशा हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए।
Wish you a very happy birthday Abhishek. आप नेचुरल हैं, फ्लेक्सिबल हैं और सिंपल हैं, और इसी वजह से आप सबके करीब हैं। ऐसे ही रहे, खुश रहे। गॉड ब्लेस।
দিন উপলক্ষে ভালো থাকি, দীর্ঘায়ু নিয়ে ওরা দুজন, এই কামনা নতুন বছর যেন শুভ হয়।
বুঝু দেখ আমি কোথায়, wish you a very happy birthday. Hey Buzu, happy birthday. Enjoy the lockdown.
wish you a very happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अभी तुम जियो हजारों साल
সুখে থাকো, ভালো থাকো, ঘরে থাকো।
Happy birthday, Papa Kaku.
হ্যাপি বার্থডে,
Happy birthday.
খুব ভালো থাকিস।
খুব ভালো থাকিস।
থাকিস বলতে তুই থাকো বল। ওকে, দেখা হবে পরের বার, হয়তো তোর বার্থডেটা একসাথে সেলিব্রেট করতে পারলে খুব ভালো লাগতো। টাটা, বাই।
সিস্টেম খুব ভালো করে জানো, সো অলওয়েজ পাশে থেকে অলওয়েজ আমাকে সাপোর্ট করো।
Here's wishing you a happy birthday, Mozu. Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mozu. Happy birthday to you.
So that's what I had for you. Though I can wish you sitting beside you, but I just thought to make this video and make you feel special. I think you know that you're special for me, and yeah, I have never seen a person who is as simple as you, and কখনো দেখিনি এমনি actually. So I have told you a lot of times, don't be don't say anything and everything that you have in your heart, but I think that's what you are, and that's how you express yourself. And whatever is there in your heart, you just speak it out, and I think people love that about you, and so I do. Not because people love that, but yeah, I think that simplicity, everyone cannot have it in them. So this birthday, I wish you kindness, I wish you politeness, I wish you more humanity, good health and peace. Not from me, from the world. Happy birthday, Mozu. Bye. Bakita bade bolchi.